Hello, my name is Kirsty Richmond, and I'm your instructor for English 1813 Written Communication 2. In this course, we're going to focus on research writing. So research writing is the most common form of writing that you're going to encounter in college, and it's used in virtually every discipline from biblical studies to social work. So in research writing, what you're doing is you have to find credible sources and information first before beginning writing your paper. And the reason you're looking for this information is because it's going to help bolster the argument that you want to make in your paper. So what this means is that you're going to put in a lot more legwork and time in the beginning of the writing process before you ever put words down on the page. So research writing often takes a lot more time than what you're used to from the papers you had to write in high school or in English 1613. So because of the extra time needed for research writing, we're actually going to begin working on 2 research papers within the first week of class. And those research papers will be due in week 3 and in week 5. But I will go over those papers more in another video later on. So you will be using our textbook again, Academic Writing and the Emerging Scholar by Fisher and Sutton. This is the same book you used in English 1613. And just like in the previous course, each week you'll do exercises out of this book, which will help you practice the writing techniques that we're learning. So in addition to the exercises and the research essays, each week you will participate in 2 discussion forums, and they will be due on Tuesdays and Wednesday. In the Tuesdays forum, you'll basically discuss what we're learning with writing techniques, and in Wednesday's forum, we'll connect writing to the Bible. So in addition to the forums, another weekly assignment will be completing a sources journal. And each week you will make entries into this journal that tell me what information and sources you're finding for your 2 research paper projects. So you'll be working on the research for these 2 essays each week. And those journal entries will be due on Saturdays. There will also be 2 short practice essays in addition to the 2 research essays due in the course, and those short practice essays will be due in weeks 2 and 4. So that's a brief rundown of what the course looks like. If at any time you have questions or are confused by something, please reach out to me. I don't mind answering questions. You can find my contact information within our course page under course information, or you can also use the Q&A forum within our course. So welcome to English 1813 Written Communication 2, and I look forward to working with you.